Hey people, so yesterday I saw this animated film, this national award winning animated film called, it was called Roadside Romeo, and it was, did you know Yash Raj Films backed the project, and Jugal Hansraj, who was the director of the film, won a national award for this. So I have to say this, yeah, like normally animated films, uh, it's here among the current crop of the thing where most animated films they kind of do this mix up is they make storylines that are like they it's there's this assumption that children don't have too much of a brain, but if you were to watch this film Roadside Romeo, you'll realize that it is it's the kind of film that you know be it a child, be it an adult, you just want to watch it because it is so uh, it is so engaging, the film. So and Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor have given the voiceover for the main characters. So here Saif Ali Khan is, I mean, no other actor I feel could have done justice to that. It's about this cute little stray dog. The Roadside Romeo is based on this stray dog who's trying to turn his fortunes around. So that and the story has been written by Jugal Hansraj. So it's a very, like, I'm now looking forward to reading this book by Jugal Hansraj. He's recently released a book, children's book. So because it's like the film, it's an animated film, but it gives you hope, it gives you this it teaches you to stand up to bullies. It's and Javed Jafri is also, he's giving the voiceover for the villainous character. So you can imagine, right, when it's Javed Jafri, there has to be humor and comedy, and it's so people, you all should watch this. It's on YouTube. It's called Roadside Romeo, and it's a cute film, yeah. And it's an animated film, but even an adult can watch it and kind of enjoy it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.